Hello again, it's Priscilla Batsell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Cross your fingers and toes, my camera doesn't overheat because I left it on. There's a shovel from the dollar store that I may use, and a tool I made from the lid of a cottage cheese container that I just cut in and bent back in two different directions, and we may or may not use that. These are my containers. One is from an iPod box, one is from I Don't Know, and they're both going to have some paint put in them. The skewer makes the dots, and that was a Sharpie container or similar. It may not have been the Sharpie container scoop, but all I did was take it off the container and trim down the edges and then trim down the corner. So I'm going to put some paint in two containers, and one is going to have some of the metallic from Anita's, and the other one is going to have some metallic from Anita's. That's the white, pearl, and plain black. So I don't know if they react the same way or not. I guess we'll find out. And I can always stir them around with a fork, which is a possibility. But in the meantime, they sell nicely, and I was not done with this by a long shot when I tried to call it good. So I'm going to give myself permission to go ahead and add a few more things that make me happy. And I think what's going to make me happy is putting a little more white in the black and a little more black in the white. So there's the black, and here's the white. And I don't know if you can see that or not, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm going to try and figure out what to do wherever I can. And if it's just going to wind up being that I add ribbons, that's okay. I definitely want more of the white than I've got though. And I keep making gray when I expect to have more white showing. Let's try some of this other. I love experimenting with new ways of doing things. I just as soon they work though. And I'm actually getting someplace that I like, so that's not bothering me a bit. See if I can fake this right in there, and then let some of it go right down over the edge to continue the mark. That worked out pretty well, I think. It doesn't really need very much, but it needs something, and I'm going to give it to it. Right down over the edge with all of that, and then touch it to make sure it's in there. Boy, I don't think I need much. I've got some beautiful cells. Oh, we get a nice breeze. I deserve that breeze. As long as it's not like some of the others that want to blow my artwork right off the table. I kind of want some dots there, but I'm not sure about... I kind of want some stripes somewhere too. Boy, do I dare. I guess I do. A lot. I'm going slow because I want the pattern to come out and finish up. And since it's fat at the beginning, I can always I don't know what the end of that sentence was. I'm sorry. I know I looked at this and I looked at this and I thought that needs something, and I don't know what the something is that it needs. But it's going to get the treatment, whatever whatever's coming its way. Usually my spontaneous art hookup isn't too bad. I get lucky. I am fortunate. Let's grab some white. This may be a moot point. Could be a very short video, or not. It's really hard to know sometimes what going too far is. But I'm having a good time, so I guess that counts for something. And it's black and white, which means I could always put black over white and white over black and make it into something different if I had to, or if I wanted to. I'm liking what I've got a lot better. I do want to dip something in here, so I think I will do that. Even if some of it's dripping off under my feet. I think that little scoop would do something very similar. I like the stripes, I just don't know where to put them. I think I have myself an alien jellyfish. Not that jellyfish don't already look alien. But I kind of like the tentacles. Come on. Some more paint. Couple more. That is what it seems like, so I'm happy that it seems like something. Just pull some of that down. Maybe push some of it up. Drag some of it over. I've GAC 800 in all my paint, so that means most of the time that I won't have the problem with worrying about paint cracking when it dries. I'm going to steal some of this paint because I think I need to spread it around, especially right there. I want to take my little Sharpie container, my iPod box, put my iPod box in the bucket, grab some of that black paint, and hope I make it all the way around. I got some really neat stuff happening in here, but I think I want some even more neat stuff happening in here, since I've decided that's a jellyfish. I'm going to take this and complete that right there. Just a little bit of something. Using the edge. It's exotic. going all the way over there more cohesively. Alright, it's different, it's interesting, it's not boring. I like a lot of things about it. This black paint will be different than the background of that canvas, so it will add a different texture, as in it'll be shiny. I always wanted to do that. Now I did. I like the dots. I think I'm much happier than I was. It's pretty busy, but it's okay. I'm good with it. No, 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 out, out. Oh, really? Okay. That was a love bug smear. You've got a little organic bug juice in the artwork. Actually, that looks fine. I can dip my skewer into some white paint and add some even... I can find those black dots. And spike them out. It's a fancy sea slug. Actually, I think all sea slugs are kind of fancy. It's sea cucumbers that are hideous. No, I'm not sure about the one that went in the wrong direction. I'm just sort of, as you can see, playing. And trying to have a good time. Oh, I guess that's fortunate that went where it was supposed to go, huh? Not sure what I'm going to do with the rest of this paint. The birds are upset today. There, I think I'm pretty good. I'm not sure, I'm not 100%, but I like it as much, if not more than I did before, so that must mean it's good. I'm going to put some white paint right into my Sharpie container. And fill that up a little bit more because I like the contrast. And they look kind of bubbly or like a crown. It's definitely feeling like Undersea. I think a lot of my things feel like Undersea though. I'm not the only one that thinks so. Overall, I'm much happier with how much more fun this seems like than it was. Do I see anything else that I think I need? Anywhere this black paint is, I put some white paint on. I can have a new spiral if I want. Like so. Which I kind of like a lot, actually. It's sort of a slow process, but you know, it's worthwhile. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for subscribing if you've subscribed. Check that your notifications are on if you're not getting them. They get turned off. My husband's subscription got turned off. I really had no idea how that happened. I do sell my artwork. You may inquire. The email address I want you to use is under the video. Also under the video is the paint pouring recipe. Yeah, that one needs to be black. And I think I need one more in here. Yep, I'm good. Much better. Kind of want a little more black right here. So my timer is counting down, and I could add gold or silver in there pretty easily, but I don't think I really need to. And I love you guys, and there's 80,000 of you. And if you're interested, I wrote a book, and we're about to try and start volume 2 of Because I Can, or whatever it's going to be called. I'll let you know if the name changes. I think it's going to be Because I Can volume 2. Not very original, but anyway, look for the clothing if you're Christmas shopping under the video, because I put some amazing leggings on there and some all over print t-shirts, and I'm about to try and reorganize it. They offered to let me reorganize it. It hasn't worked for me very well in the past, but there's all kinds of really awesome cool stuff there, including, you know, pillows and houseware goods as well with my art. And if you're looking for Facebook group, Facebook Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for fans and collectors. And if you go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, you can find a Shop Now button. And that'll take you to my fineartamericapixels.com, and you can see what I've been doing for years there, basically. I want something. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's this. Just put a little bit of that white metallic right on the end of my skewer and interfere with, and hope I get to keep those dots, because you can never tell what you get to keep or not. Anyway, I'm sure you're going to disappear in a moment, but I should tell you first that you can ask me any questions you want, and my paint pouring recipe is underneath the video. And I got 1 minute left to figure out what to tell you that I haven't told you already, and I enjoyed myself so much that I kind of lost it. And I'm still having too much fun. I recommend fun. Fun is good. Except for when the love bugs are having fun. Then I'm not as thrilled. So I love you guys, and this is Priscilla Batsell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. You know where to find my email address. If you have any questions, ask me. If you're looking for my website or the drawing, or the prizes for the drawing that happen every month, and you want to contribute through PayPal or Patreon, more than $10 to help keep me painting. Thank you to everybody who's helped keep me painting, and thank you guys for the awesome comments you give me every day to keep my morale up in the face of these weird times. One more loop, maybe 2, maybe 3. Yeah, I'm good. I love you guys. See you soon. Watch some more videos. There's 840 of them on the channel, on my channel. If you look in the playlists under videos, you'll find them. See you guys hopefully tomorrow. I'm going to keep trying to post a video every day. And it's up to you guys to help me now, because YouTube is not. Thank you. Bye now. Priscilla out.